Welcome to our channel. What is finance, and why is it important for you? Let's break it down in simple terms. Today, we are diving into the world of finance. What is finance? Finance is essentially the management of money. It involves how individuals, businesses, and governments allocate resources over time. Think of it like this: if you earn money, you need to decide how to spend it, save it, or invest it. For instance, if you receive $100, you could spend it on a new video game, save it for a future trip, or invest it in stocks. Each choice has different implications for your financial future. Make sure if you like this video, then hit the subscribe button. Closing parenthesis.